Another beautiful day in Colorado, day 12. All right, come inside. So we use a lot of these water bottles to not just water the plants, but this is called passive solar. So they heat up during the day and keep my greenhouse warm at night. And then all I need at night during the wintertime is this little space heater. And I keep it on medium. And you can see how nice my fruit trees are looking. We got some flowers coming in. And lots of pollen and over here are carrots. These carrots here, I'm letting them go to seed. And then I could take those seeds and plant them in my outside garden. I know seeds are inexpensive, but it's kind of cool. Come on. French lavender, like to keep it year round. This is a Columbine flower. So a Rocky Mountain orchid. Sometimes it's just easier to start over and make things perfect. But at the same time, the enemy of good is great. So I got to be careful. All right, let's glow it up. I'm going to cut a backing for this, and I like to save as much of this material as I can. It's plastic, and if I don't use it, I've got to throw it away. So that little gap that's right here, I'm going to take this edge piece, and I'm going to glue it here. You'll never see it. For the sides, I'm going to use a medium clear acrylic, and should make a really cool effect with the walnut and the semi-turquoise blue. All right, now the sides. Let's put this thing together. I think that pops a little bit better. The other one was a little too dark. I think this one will give the wall just a little bit more pop. I did use clear acrylic. I realized that getting to see some of the buttons was probably a good idea. And for those of you that saw my last laser video, this is where I burned a hole in the table, and it was pretty good. Pretty good little fire. As the owner of a business, it's pretty easy to know what to do. And the best way I can describe what's going on right now is think of a board game that you really don't know the rules on, because the person making the rules is the one that invented the game. And they're like, once you go around the board a couple times, you'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get it. You'll understand the rules. And that's really not a good place to be as the leader of the board game. So sometimes making your own rules that make a lot more sense may be the wiser. Vegetable garden. This is some lettuce. I'm going to pick it tomorrow.